Hello guys and welcome to Code Make Life Simple YouTube channel video. In this video, we will be learning how to install Composer and Laravel into your local host or into your web server and then to create a fresh new Laravel application. So first we have to go to a directory in which we are in which we want to make a fresh new Laravel application. Like this is the directory I have chosen for that work. And then we have to type cmd in the path, in the directory path to open the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, you can check your Composer version if it is installed in your computer or not by typing composer-v in the command prompt and press enter. If the composer installed, uh, these things will be shown in your command prompt, and if not composer is installed, other thing will be shown. So as you can see in my local host in my computer, Composer is installed. To check whether the Laravel is also installed or not, we can type Laravel-v, hit enter. As you can see, Laravel installer 4.2.10 is also installed in my computer. So I'll be back once I uninstall Composer and Laravel from my computer so that I can again install in front of you to make you understand how to install Composer and Laravel. So I'll be right back. Okay. So I have deleted successfully Composer from my computer, and now when I type Composer-v in my command prompt, it is showing Composer recognized is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Composer is now removed from my computer. So to install Composer in your computer, this is the command. You can like there are two methods to install Composer in your computer. First, you can go to the Composer website. You just go into your browser, type Composer download. Mm. You can type it in Google or wherever like you like it. And the first link, download Composer latest version 2.7.1 is the link. You will be showing some sort of orchestra playing some music icon in this, and that is the correct link. And here we are. You can install it through command line also, like this, or you can just download the latest stable version. And to download the latest version, you are supposed to click download and run composer setup.exe. So just download this into your computer. It is being downloaded, and then just install it with some basic, like it's just a software. It's just a software. It's like just a software. You will be getting a installation file and you have to install it. So I will be back once it is again installed in my computer. So this was done just to show you how to install Composer into your computer. So yes, we have installed Composer setup into our computer, and to install it into our computer, just open it, install for all users recommended. So you will be seeing some installation options. Developer mode, no need to take this developer mode. Next. So to run Composer, as you know that Composer is a PHP based thing and you need PHP to run Composer. So as you can see that my PHP is installed in XAMPP php.exe. Choose the command line PHP you want to use. So I will be using this. To success, you should have PHP installed in your computer. You can install it by installing XAMPP, which is a local host server. It's a local host server for your computer to run some web applications locally on your computer. In that, you will be getting a PHP installed. So just click on that next and use a proxy server to connect to internet. This is also not required. Next, and install just and yep, you're good to go. Your composer is now installed in your computer. So once it is installed, you can again go into your command prompt and type composer-v to check whether the composer is installed come like successfully into your computer or not. Okay, so like the composer has been installed successfully, and to check it, we can type composer-v in our command prompt. And now, after installing the composer from the command that I've told you, from the procedure that I've told you, you will be seeing composer installed in your computer, and you will be see a window like this. So once it is installed, now we are going to install Laravel in our localhost computer. And with the help of Laravel and Composer, we are going to create a fresh new Laravel application in our localhost. So this is the motto of our video. So this is the command to install Laravel using Composer into your lab computer. After reinstalling Composer, you can install Laravel globally using the following command, and the command is this. Just copy this composer global require Laravel slash installer and paste it in your command prompt and hit enter. Once it is done, you will be seeing Laravel in your computer as well, and you can check it by typing Laravel-v in your command prompt. Once it is installed, I'll be right. Yes, so Laravel installation has been completed. Now we can check whether our computer or localhost has Laravel installed successfully in it or not by typing Laravel-v and hit enter. Now we can see that Laravel installer 5.2.1 is installed. Okay, so as you can see that we are in the directory where we want to install the Laravel fresh new application, and it is very simple to install a fresh new Laravel application. And the command to install a fresh Laravel application is Laravel new, and whatever you want the application named, like if you want the application to be named as anything like e-commerce, you can type e-commerce. Like I am going to type right now new site. Okay, new fresh Laravel. Okay. So Laravel new fresh Laravel is the fresh Laravel is the name of the Laravel application which we are installing right now, and just hit enter. So okay, this is asking for some starter kit. No, would be wait. We don't want to install any starter kit right now. We will later on install some starter packages or uh, packages which we will be using in our Laravel application. But later on, we will be doing that. It okay. No, I guess I have to type the whole thing. No starter kit. Which testing framework would you prefer? PHP Unit, PHP Unit, PST. Like zero. Okay, I could have typed none also in that thing. So yes, we are good to go. And our fresh new Laravel application is now being installing into our Laravel tutorial directory. Hope you guys understand. And in further lectures, we will be trying to focus how to create routes, controllers, and in our new Laravel application, and to run a basic site with a basic template using Laravel by creating. Okay. So, like, it is asking which database will your application use. In my case, I will be using In my case, I will be using MySQL, and you can use some other also MariaDB is a very famous PostgreSQL, SQLite, SQL Server. But right now in this Laravel application, in this create a fresh Laravel application, I will be using MySQL as a database. So I'm typing MySQL. So while installing your Laravel application, these are some things that the Laravel application will ask you. So just type MySQL and hit enter. So application ready in fresh Laravel, as this was the name of our new Laravel application. Application ready in fresh Laravel. Build something amazing. For sure, we will be building something amazing. And in the coming lectures, will be learning about how to create routes, controllers, and many more things in Laravel to create a basic web application using Laravel, and also to create a complex e-commerce site in Laravel. For that, we will be learning some new things, how to create routes, controllers, and many more things, like like how to connect to your database. Like in my case, MySQL is my database, and how to do many more things in Laravel, which will be like creating APIs, REST APIs, and to connect your backend and front end, and how to create a connection between your backend and front end, how to put a template, how to create blade files, how to create controllers, and how to create routes. So stay tuned with our YouTube channel, Code Make Life Simple, and we will be coming with a lot of more Laravel tutorials. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.